Good, so nice. 1 towel pullover, 2 leg lowers, each one. After that, hip bridge, reach over. So elbows down, nice, Kimberly, you reach up and over. Heels are down, hip lifts up, and do alternating, Kimberly. So do 2 and 2, 4 total. And then Patty, you will do the same, alternating hip bridge reach overs.
Am I doing these too slow?
No, I'm just letting you know where you're going because I'm videoing. After those, you do your gorilla burpees. Take space. So remember, that's where you plant your hands perpendicular to your feet. You're in a low hinge squat. Yeah, there you go. Nice job. Gorilla burpees. 8 total. 4 one way, 4 the other. Situational awareness, of course. Nice job, Kimberly. Good, and then reverse. Shiva squat. Remember this? This is where you are in the standing split. So start in standing splits. 1 leg up. Good, now stay there. And then your opposite knee, there you go, Kimberly, comes in. And then you go right back to standing split. So it's a 1 leg squat, basically. Deadlift knee. And then you extend up to standing splits. Good, so Patty, bring that leg up. So you go standing splits, head down, leg up. And then you go deep bend in that right knee as you tap. Good. So it's a deep bend every single time in the knee, and then the opposite knee taps. You're doing 5 and 5. Good. Keep going through this, 5 per leg. And then we would start over with a towel pullover in your travel workout.